Get this extra amazing Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you watch my UFO 187 English Masterclass playlist of full interesting guides. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, scroll here down and you will see Comet AI browser play quest. Claim amazing 5000 Discord orbs. As you can see, just use Comet AI browser for 15 minutes with your Discord client open. Click here accept quest and you will see this progress. If you don't have AI browser, just download it fast on Google. Just type like me Comet AI browser and you will see this first and go download client and go download Comet. After installation you will see launch Comet, open it and you will see this progress is going on. Just use this Comet AI browser for 50 minutes to get this amazing 5000 Discord orbs. You can leave it AFK like me, the progress will go on. After using Comet AI browser for 50 minutes, move back and you will see claim reward. Click on it, verify here like me and you will get amazing 5000 Discord orbs. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward 5000 Discord orbs. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.